Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your Apple ID account image. Whether you want to personalize your profile or just give it a fresh look, this process is straightforward. Let's dive in. First things first, unlock your iPhone or iPad. Make sure you're connected to the internet for a seamless experience. Head over to the Settings app on your device. Look for your name at the top of the screen. Tap on it. That's your Apple ID. On this page, you can see various options about your Apple account. Now, see your profile picture? Tap on it. This will open up the options to change your image. You have some options here. You can choose a new photo from your library, take a new one on the spot, choose some emoji, or create one, or you can choose some sticker from this section. Pick the one that suits you best. I will choose a picture for this tutorial. If needed, you can adjust and crop your chosen image to ensure it looks just right. Once you're satisfied, hit Choose. Lastly, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by tapping Done or Save, depending on your device. And there you have it. Your Apple ID account image is now updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.